Have a nice day to one and all. I hope you are enjoying your holidays. At the same time, you should give importance to your studies too, children. Study and read the lesson again and again. Keep on practicing. Practice makes a man perfect. Okay, now we are going to see Unit 4, the living world of plants. Have you seen the plants in our surroundings? Yes, you have seen the plants in your surroundings. We have got millions and millions of plant varieties in our earth. Are all the plants look like same? No, they are different from one another. They have so many differences between them. Have you ever visited vegetable market with your parents? Yes, you can see there variety of fresh green vegetables in attractive colors, isn't it? Where do these vegetables come from? The plants only give vegetables for us. Okay, your mom buy some vegetables like cauliflower, cabbage and radish. Do all the vegetables grow under the soil? No. We get some vegetables from stem, some from roots, even from flowers also we can get vegetables. They are used for cooking. So, the vegetables are from different parts of a plant. Can you say me which vegetable is coming from which part of a plant? Carrot. Carrot is come from root. Cauliflower is from flower of the plant. Curry leaves, coriander, Keela lily leaves are from leaf of the plant. These leaves have medicinal value and aroma. Aroma means good smell. So, we all understood that different parts of the plant gives different vegetables. For example, sugarcane is from stem of the plant. Then ginger is from underground stem of the plant. So, various parts of the plants are used as food, medicine, wood and shelter. Shelter means living place, shadow, to stay. So, the living world comprises of plants and animals. Plants can prepare food itself, grow in size and reproduce. Biology is a natural science concerned with the study of life and living organisms, including their structure and functions. Biology in Tamil, உயிரியல், இயற்கை அறிவியல். Biology is a natural science concerned with the study of life. வாழ்க்கையும் உயிரிகளையும் அதோட அமைப்புகளையும் அதோட வேலை செய்யும் விதங்களையும் பற்றி படிக்கிறது தான் பயாலஜி. In this lesson, we are going to study about parts of a plant, functions, their structure, habitat and modifications. As we know that plants have different parts in it. What are those? Root, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits and seeds. Our body is made up of many organs, isn't it? Eyes, ears, nose, hands, legs. Similarly, the plant body is also made up of several organs such as roots, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits and seeds. Are all the plants look like same? No. Plants are of many forms and many colors. They are of many forms. That means some plants are tall, some plants are big, some plants are small, some plants are climbers, some plants are creepers and they have many different colors of flowers, isn't it? Yet they are alike in some manner. Plants அப்படி டிஃப்ரெண்ட் டைப்ஸாக இருந்தாலும் கூட சில கேரக்டர் வந்து ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்குது. வாட் ஆர் தே? தட் இஸ், they all have stems and leaves above the ground, which we can see easily. And all the plants' roots have below the ground. These are the characteristics of the plants common. As you know very well in lower classes, a flowering plant consists of two main parts. They are root system and shoot system. Look at the picture. The part of the plant which lies below the ground is called root system, and the part of the plant which lies above the ground is called shoot system. Root system. What is called as root? The underground part of the main axis of a plant is known as root. ரூட்டும் பிளான்ட்டோட ஒரு பார்ட்டு தான். ஆனால் இது எங்கே இருக்கும்? அண்டர் கிரவுண்டில் இருக்கும். பிளான்ட்டோட மெயின் ஆக்சிஸ் தான் இந்த ரூட்டு. The part of a plant which attaches it to the ground is called as root. The root always lies below the surface of the soil. Root has no nodes and internodes. In case of stem, in shoot system, there is nodes and internodes are present. What is called as node? Nodes are the parts of stem where the leaf arises. ஸ்டெம்மில் எந்த இடத்துல லீஃப் வளர ஆரம்பிக்குதோ அந்த இடத்துக்கு பேர் நோடு அப்படின்னு பேர். ஒரு நோடுக்கும் இன்னொரு நோடுக்கும் இடையில இருக்கிற பிளேஸு இன்டர்நோடு. அப்போ இங்கே ரூட் சிஸ்டமில் எந்த லீஃபும் வளராது. அதனால் இங்கே நோட்ஸ் அண்ட் இன்டர்நோட்ஸ் ஆர் ஆப்சண்ட். ஹியர் no leaves at all, so root has no nodes and internodes. Root has a root cap at the tip. ரூட்டோட டிப்பில் எண்டில் ரூட் கேப் இருக்கும். இந்த ரூட் கேப் தான் இந்த ரூட்ஸுக்கு ப்ரொடெக்ஷன் தருது, பாதுகாப்பை கொடுக்குது. A tuft of root hairs is found just above the root tip. ரூட் டிப்புக்கு மேலே tuft of root hairs இருக்கும். அதாவது group of root hairs, நிறைய root hairs இருக்கும், thin hairs. Roots are positively geotrophic in nature. Why do we call roots are positively geotrophic? That means root always grows towards the soil. That is called positively geotropic. Have you ever pulled out the plant and observed the root system? Do all the plants have same type of root system? No. There are some differences between them, isn't it? Some plants have very large root system found in trees, isn't it? Some plants have short, that is very small root system, bunch of roots. So each and every root system have some differences between them. Plants' root system is classified into two types: taproot system and fibrous root system. As we know in lower classes about taproot and fibrous root system. Taproot system and fibrous root system. Taproot system is found mostly in trees. Example, mango, banyan tree, etc. It is also found in shrub. Example, rose plant, tomato, pepper, etc. In taproot system, the roots grow deep to find water. It provides a strong anchor in the wind. That is, it gives support to the plant. It has a large main central root and have many small roots branching out. In taproot, they have limited number of side branching roots. We cannot pull the plant easily from the soil because it fixes the plant tightly to the soil. Fibrous root system. The plant can easily blown over in high wind because these roots are very thin, hair-like, smaller roots. Fibrous roots that spread out in all directions just below the soil. Example, coconut, rice, corn. Corn means maize. Sugarcane, banana trees. These contain fibrous root system. They have many branches roots. These roots cover a large area. Fibrous root system are mostly found in paddy, wheat, maize, etc. Generally, roots hold the soil to prevent soil erosion. Now you can identify the taproot system and fibrous root system, isn't it? Taproot system. Taproot system consists of a single root called taproot, which grows straight down into the ground. Ground-குள்ள straight-ஆ வளர்ற single root தான் taproot. Taproot is also known as primary root or main root. Smaller roots called lateral roots arise from the taproot. Taprootல இருந்து இன்னும் நிறைய smaller roots வளரும், அதுதான் lateral roots. All other roots are branching out from the primary root, that is called lateral roots. Lateral roots are also known as secondary roots and tertiary roots. From the primary or taproot, there are some smaller roots called lateral roots. They are called secondary roots. From the secondary roots, there are some smaller roots called tertiary roots. Tertiary roots are again divided into smaller roots called rootlets. Some plants like radish, beetroot and carrot have main root with thinner roots growing from it. This is called taproot. These roots grow deep into the soil. Most trees have taproot system. Will have the same pattern of roots in every plant? In some other plants, arrangement might be different. This type of arrangement is seen in carrot, radish, beetroot, turnip. In each of these, carrot, radish, beetroot and turnip, if you look at these roots very carefully, you will be able to see one single root and all other lateral roots arising from that single root. And these are the examples for taproot system. Taproot system are seen in dicotyledonous plants. Example, beans, mango and neem. Look at the picture. If you open the seeds of beans and mango, you will find two cotyledons. So, dicotyledonous plants having seeds with two cotyledons. Taproot system is mainly found in dicotyledonous plants. Other examples are green gram, black gram, peas, groundnut, etc. Here we are going to see about taproot.
The taproot consists of a single root called taproot, which grows straight down into the ground. The taproot எப்பயுமே groundக்கு straight ஆ தான் வளரும். Smaller roots called lateral roots arise from the taproot. Taprootல இருந்து சின்ன சின்ன smaller roots இருக்கு பாருங்க. இதுக்கு பேர் தான் lateral roots. They are seen in dicotyledonous plants. What is mean by dicotyledonous plants? The seeds of this dicotyledonous plants contain two cotyledons in the seed. For example, chickpea, sundal, beans and mango. In mango seed, we see the two cotyledons inside the mango seed. Here, beans, we see two cotyledons in the seed. These are the example for dicotyledonous plants. Here, we are going to see about fibrous roots. It consists of a cluster of roots arising from the base of the stem. Stem கடியில cluster means கொத்து கொத்தான வேர்கள் இருக்கிறத நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். இதுதான் cluster of roots arising from the base of the stem. ஸ்டெம்முக்கு அடியிலேயே இந்த கொத்து கொத்தான வேர்கள் இருக்கும். In case of taproot, these roots are some are smaller, some are longer in size. But in case of fibrous root, all the roots are thin and uniform in size. They are generally seen in monocotyledonous plants. What is mean by monocotyledonous plants? The seeds of these plants contain only one cotyledon in the seed. Example, millets, pearl millet and finger millet.
Fibrous root system. Fibrous root system consists of a cluster of roots. Cluster of roots means bunch of roots arising from the base of the stem. ஸ்டெம்முக்கு அடியிலிருந்து cluster of roots வந்து வளர்ந்துருக்கும். This type of root is called fibrous root system. They are thin and uniform in size. They are very thin, hair-like structures and uniform in size. It looks like same. You can very easily remember the fibrous root system with their name itself. Fibrous means fiber-like, that is thread-like. So they have to be fine roots, thread-like, hair-like structures, network of roots. In this fibrous root system, here we have no main root at all. Look at the picture. You get an idea that you don't have any main root or any single root from where other roots are arising, isn't it? So all of them are thin and uniform in size. Several fine roots arising from the base of the stem. Here no main root exists. Can you see any main root like taproot? No. Here no such main root, isn't it? This type of root is called as fibrous root system. Fibrous root system is also known as adventitious root system. Say once again, fibrous root system is also known as adventitious root system. Fibrous root system is generally seen in monocotyledonous plants. Most of the monocotyledonous plants contain fibrous root system only. Example, grass, paddy and maize. Maize is also known as corn. Mono means single. One. The seeds of monocotyledonous plants contain only one cotyledon in their seed. Monocots consist of plants having seeds with one cotyledon. For example, look at the picture of maize. It is a single cotyledon. we cannot divide the seeds of maize into two halves like dicot seeds. Here we are going to see difference between monocot and dicot plants. Already we know that monocotyledonous plants contain only one cotyledon in their seed, whereas dicot plants contain two cotyledons in their seeds. Look at the picture. Monocot seed produce only one seed leaf, but dicot seeds produce two seed leaves. And another difference is monocot plants contain fibrous root system, whereas dicot plants contain taproot system. Both monocot and dicot seeds give food for the baby plant to grow. The baby plant use the cotyledons to grow into a new plant. Monocot example maize, dicot example bean seeds. Functions of the root. Try to uproot a bunch of grass. You will find it difficult to do so. Do you know why? Yes, because root fixes the plant to the soil. As we know that root is the organ of a plant which lies below the soil and fix the plant firmly to the soil. Root gives support to entire plant body. Next functions of the root is root absorbs water and minerals from the soil. In the soil, there are some dissolved nutrients. Root absorbs water and dissolved nutrients from the soil. With the help of the water and dissolved nutrients, that is minerals, plants prepare their food. So, roots help the plant to prepare their food with the help of water and minerals from the soil. Next functions of the root is roots store food in some plants like carrot and beetroot. They store food made by the plants in the form of carrot, beetroot, radish, turnip, etc. Some plants store their food in leaves, stems, fruits, isn't it? Like that, carrot, beetroot, radish, turnip, etc. they store their food in their roots. So, the main functions of the root is it fixes the plant to the soil, it absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Roots store food in some plants like carrot and beetroot. Here we are going to see an activity, water absorption by root. Already we know that root absorbs water and minerals from the soil. ஏற்கனவே நமக்கு தெரியும் ரூட் தான் வாட்டரை சாயிலிருந்து அப்சர்வ் பண்ணி டிஃப்ரெண்ட் பார்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் த பிளான்ட்டுக்கு அனுப்புது அப்படிங்கிறது நம்ம ஏற்கனவே படித்தது. எய்ம் ஆஃப் திஸ் ஆக்டிவிட்டி இஸ் டு அப்சர்வ் அப்சார்ப்ஷன் ஆஃப் வாட்டர் பை ரூட். வாட் டு யூ நீட்? இந்த ஆக்டிவிட்டிக்கு என்ன தேவை? எ கேரட், எ கிளாஸ் ஆஃப் வாட்டர் அண்டு ப்ளூ இங்க். இந்த ஆக்டிவிட்டியோட நோக்கம் என்ன அப்படின்னா, ரூட் தான் வாட்டரை அப்சர்வ் பண்ணுது அப்படிங்கிறத இந்த ஆக்டிவிட்டியிலேருந்து நம்ம தெரிஞ்சுக்க போகிறோம். அதுதான் இந்த ஆக்டிவிட்டியோட நோக்கம். இதுக்கு என்னென்ன பொருள்கள் தேவை? எ கேரட், எ கிளாஸ் ஆஃப் வாட்டர், ஒரு டம்ளர் தண்ணி, அண்டு ப்ளூ இங்க் அண்ட் எ ஸ்மால் கேரட். Why do you take a carrot for this activity? Because Taproot is found in carrot. Procedure, that is what to do. என்ன செய்ய போகிறோம்? Place a carrot in a glass of water with a few drops of blue ink. Leave the carrot in water for 2 to 3 days. Then cut the carrot into half lengthwise and observe. Glass of water குள்ள அந்த கேரட்டையும் few drops of blue இங்கையும் போட்டு 2 to 3 days அப்படி வைக்க சொல்கிறாங்க. After 2 to 3 days அந்த கேரட் எடுத்து ஹாஃப் லென்த்வைஸ் நீல வாக்கில் கட் பண்ணி நம்மளை என்ன நடந்திருக்கு அப்படிங்கிறத கவனிக்க சொல்கிறாங்க. வாட் டு யூ லேர்ன்? இதிலேருந்து நம்ம என்ன தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டோம்? ப்ளூ கலர் appears in carrot which indicates water moves upwards in the carrot showing that root conducts water. After 2 to 3 days we can see the color of the carrot is blue. அந்த ப்ளூ கலர் எதை இண்டிகேட் பண்ணுது அப்படின்னா, கேரட் வந்து ஒரு ரூட் ஃபுட்டு அப்படிங்கிறது நமக்கு ஏற்கனவே தெரியும். அந்த ரூட்ஸ் வழியாக வாட்டர் மேலே உறிஞ்சப்பட்டிருக்கு, வாட்டர் கண்டக்ட் ஆகிருக்கு அப்படிங்கிறது இதிலிருந்து நமக்கு தெரியுது. அப்போ அந்த ப்ளூ கலர் வாட்டர் அந்த ரூட்ஸ் வழியாக வந்து கேரட் வழியாக வந்திருக்கிறதுனால அந்த கேரட் என்ன கலரில் மாறி இருக்கு? ப்ளூ கலரில் மாறி இருக்கு. இதிலேருந்து நம்ம என்ன தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டோம்? வாட்டர் மூவ்ஸ் அப்வர்ட்ஸ் இன் த கேரட் ஷோயிங் தட் ரூட் கண்டக்ட்ஸ் வாட்டர். ரூட்ஸ் வாட்டரை கண்டக்ட் பண்ணுது அப்படிங்கிறது இந்த ஆக்டிவிட்டியிலேருந்து நம்ம தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டோம். வாட்டர் அப்சார்ப்ஷன் பை ரூட். நாட் ஒன்லி கேரட், பீட்ரூட், radish, turnip, all these are examples of taproot system. They store food in their root. Okay children, this is the time for evaluation. What we have seen so far: parts of a plant, root system. There are two types of root system: taproot system and fibrous root system. Then functions of the root. What is dicotyledonous plants? What is monocotyledonous plants? Then activity about water absorption by roots. Here I give you 5 questions. You have to write all these answers in your note very clearly and submit on reopen day. First question: what are the 2 types of root system? Second question: give 2 examples of taproot system. Third question: what is the other name for fibrous root system? Fourth question: write about the functions of root. Fifth question: define root. Stay safe at home. Thank you.